Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create Instagram Reels with InVideo AI and turn your ideas into short, engaging content for Instagram. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Start a new AI video project and choose one clear topic for your reel. Before creating the video, think about your target audience and the main message you want to deliver. Reels usually work best when the content is focused and easy to understand. Next, write a detailed prompt for InVideo AI. Include your topic, audience, tone, visual style, and the important points you want the video to cover. You can also describe the type of reel you want, such as an educational tip, product showcase, tutorial, motivational video, or promotional clip. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the initial video. The AI can create the script, scenes, visuals, voiceover, and other elements based on your instructions. When the video is ready, preview it from beginning to end. Start by checking the opening and make sure it catches attention quickly. Next, review the script and remove unnecessary information. Keep the narration short, clear, and focused on the main message. Now check the visuals for
Okay.
every scene. Make sure the images and video clips match the narration and look appropriate for your Instagram audience. You can also customize the AI voice. Choose a voice that sounds natural and matches the tone of your reel. After that, review the subtitles and on-screen text. Make sure important words are easy to read on a mobile screen and don't cover important visual elements. Next, check the background music. If you use music, keep it balanced so the narration remains easy to hear. Pay attention to the pacing as well.
यहाँ microwave और water
Make sure the scenes move smoothly from one to another. If a particular scene doesn't work well, edit it directly. You can change the script, replace visuals, adjust timing, or remove the scene. Once everything looks good, preview the complete reel one more time. Check the narration, visuals, subtitles, music, transitions, and overall presentation.